Okay, well what we're going to be attempting to pick today is this padlock here. It's a Draper padlock, Draper Expert Security, 63mm high security with mushroom pin tumblers. Actually every 6 pin in this are mushroom pins. I've had it apart and had a look. They're all mushroom pins. Got a part number on this one, which is 8310/63. Very solid, heavy duty padlock, closed shackle padlock. But we're going to try and attempt and SPP this one if we can. Very narrow keyway on this one. Difficult to get that pick in there really. Try a different pick. struggling with this one a bit now. There we go, I lost it a few times there. You release too much tension for the mushroom pins and you end up losing some that you've already set, but there we go. Good quality lock. It is quite hard to pick that one. I've had a bit of practice on this one, so well, there's the key. So there we go. Draper Expert Security with the mushroom pin tumbler successfully picked. Thanks for watching, and keep watching because I will be posting more videos soon.